catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Oh my God, I had a busy day today, but that don't matter. I'm here now. The Mama Awards, you already know. Mama 2024 happened. But in Japan, see, this is what we watching. G-Dragon, Big Bang. I got a little spoiled, not of the performance, but of pictures. I don't know if I'm ready. I forgot to show y'all this. You already know I'll be repping. You already know. You know what this is. You know what this is. So many different colors. You already know I love Taeyang. You know I love Big Bang. I'm a VIP. We got G-Dragon. I don't even know if I'm ready. I'm gonna check this out. I don't even know if this is gonna be uploaded. I don't know how I'm gonna upload this. It's gonna probably get blocked unless I do some like put a little picture on it or something. Shout out to Andy and Jess. I saw that they put like a Big Bang picture in front of it. So I feel like I probably will do that. And then I'll probably post like the full reaction on Patreon. If you haven't joined my Patreon, join. It's for free. I'll put it out for the freezy. You already know. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. But not only that, I think tomorrow, I think on Monday, 6 p.m. PST, I will be reacting to all of the Mama Award performances. So without further ado, whether you see this on YouTube or Patreon, let me set this up. I'm not ready. Let me set this up though. Bow. Turn it up. Oh my God. Oh, look at how many people. Bro. I haven't heard this song in so. What a treat. Okay, we got a silhouette. Is that really him in there though? Chills. Wait. Can I turn this up louder? No, right? Damn. Hold up. 괜찮아. Sheesh. Bro, he's starting out like this. This is where he last left off before he brought his power in Home Sweet Home. Ooh. I just want to see what he's wearing, because hold up. This hoodie too thick. I need to hear his voice for real. It feels like a dream no matter what. I feel. Play that, sir. Looks like you're wearing lingerie. What is that? It's like a see-through shirt. He can wear it wherever he wants. What a treat. Let's go. Come on. I'm ready for this. Where we at? We in the dungeon? Oh my God, I haven't heard that beat in so long. Okay. Oh, it's just it's like a prequel to the real. I love the way he just moves and walks, bro. Bro, look at that pink vest. I'm not vest. Did I say vest? Jacket. Ooh, hey. Ubermesh. Ubermesh? Hey. What he got, y'all? What he got? Ooh. Oh, we doing the full follow through. Oh, I saw that he had pink hair. Bro. I got the. You better wear that crown, king. That's the king right there, y'all. If you don't know, you don't. You better know. What? With the green flames? Woo! Showtime, this it be me. Hey! I got the power. Power, power. Damn right, you got the power, bro. Woo. Hey, hey. Arr, arr. Yes, that's right. I growled and barked. You doing? Hey, hey. Living legend for real though. G-O-O. I forgot how to spell goat. G-O-A-T. Okay. Let's go, goat. I don't give. The crowd sing with it. Hey, hey, hey. That power, the power, power, the power, power. Hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Why does outfit kind of look like a, like I could eat it or something? I don't know. That's a random thought. Hey, hey. I got the power, power. Ooh, gotta be hyped. Damn, look at all the dancers too. Woo! Run the bird. Who? Ah! Hey, hey! America! Don't give a shit. Bruh. It's just, it's like, it still feels like a dream, but we alive. It's here. Look at him. Bro, the outfit's crazy. All in pink. I got the power, power. Bruh. Whoa. Oh, 88. Let's go. Bruh. What's next? What is next? Oh, okay. Bird's eye view shot. Home sweet home, y'all. Bruh, he look good. He been. Proud of you, GT. J Dragon, baby. Oh, shout out to 17. Let's go, Woozy. Oh. This is so crazy. This is happening. He on the stage and everything, bro. Oh. Back in the Disney? Wait. I'm ready. Sorry. Bro, he looks so dope. Let's go, King. Let's go, Kings. Hey. Home sweet home. Ooh, okay, the choreo. Hold up, before I turn up. Hey. Sorry, man, I'm hyped. Wait, was that Bada Lee as a dancer? I don't know. Nah, I don't think so. Hey! Bro! Them on the stage together. Yeah! The originals! Hey! Let's go! Woo! Yes! Oh, the outfit go hard. Let's go, Daesung. Home sweet home. Oh my god. Wait, I need to take a break. There's so much. Look, bro. Like, my light is going crazy. Where? Oh, my VIP light stick's in Hawaii. With my parents. Hi, how you doing? Are you enjoying? Did you enjoy this performance like I am? All right, let's get back into it. Hold on. Okay, blue works. Blue works. Yeah. All right, let's get back into it. Ooh, okay, choreo. Oh. Hey. Okay, Daesung. It's like a leather jacket with some puffy stuff sewed into it. Look at the whole stage too. Bro, chained up. Okay, I see that drip. Let's go, Daesung. Belt that. Oh, sweet. Hey. Woohoo. Wait. Let me see Taeyong get his shit, bro. Home sweet. Hey. Ooh. Home sweet home. It's such a nostalgic sounding song too, like of a Big Bang song. It's like a older. It sounds like an old Big Bang song, like but modernized. That's what it feels like. Bro, his drip is so clean. Aw, wait, did he give hearts to all of, like both of them? Aww. Oh, they're going down? Bro, I'm gonna need that jacket. I'm gonna have to need that jacket, bro. I know it's not gonna fit me. Your boy, you know, your boy thick a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Hoshi. So good. You feel me? Y'all feel me? I feel exactly how they feel. The beauty of G-Dragon, the beauty of Big Bang. Got everybody bumping. That's cute, actually. Oh, you see Soyeon too. Oh, okay. Me. I love seeing the reactions. So we're preparing for the next stage. Wait, what? What? Hold on, let me put down this. What's happening? Not the chanting as they should. Okay, King. Espa. Ah, what a beautiful light stick. Bro, the anticipate. It's like, what is this? A concert? No. The electric farts, y'all. Shout to my reaction. Throwback. May tour type shit. Daesung, Taeyang. G-Dragon, bro. Bro. Yes, bro. Give it to me. Bang, 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 and fantastic. Wait, does G-Dragon got like a fur coat on? Daesung. Bruh. Oh, that is bodily, right? Am I tripping? Bruh, Daesung. With the red jacket, Mr. Taeyong. B.I.G. Yeah, we bang like this. With Top's vocal? Oh, bro, I thought Top was here. I'm speechless. My VIP heart, y'all. Hey! Hey. Whoo! I could cry right now. Yes, y'all already know. Y'all already know. They having the time of their life. Osaka. Oh, we ended it. We ended with this? Not end, but like, y'all already know what's about to happen. Go. 3, 2, 1. Bang, bang, bang. My neighbors probably hate me down below. But it don't matter. Big Bang's back. Oh, my shoulder hurt. I'm getting old, bro. Oh. Wait. I need a break. Bruh. I'm getting old for this. Y'all have been watching me for years. I'm getting old for this. Whew. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, it's almost ending? Wow. This. Hey, it's a party when Big Bang's here, boy. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. Ow! Dang, I didn't even get to like look at all the outfits yet. Ooh. Yeah. Wow, fantastic, baby. I can't believe. Hold up. I cannot believe I live in a life where we get to witness it. I can't even talk. What a beautiful time. What a beautiful time to be alive, bro. Big Bang. How you feeling, VIPs? How you feeling, second gen? Now, see, listen. Second gen fans, you already know how we do. Bro, we getting old, but we still lit. I'm gonna try to upload this. You know how it would be. I don't know if you follow me enough. Sometimes these type of reactions don't even make it on YouTube. But I see some of my friends put it out there. Sometimes I'm unlucky, but I'm gonna try my best to put this up on YouTube. Probably gonna have to put like an image out over it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You know I gotta do something. But I will post the full non-edited version on my Patreon. Be sure to check it out. Link in the description down below so you can see the full video. Whew. What a great time, bro. What a great time. Huh. Big Bang, GD, Taeyong, Daesung was good. You have a great rest of your night or day wherever you're at. On Monday, November 25th, I will be on Twitch live stream at 6 p.m. PST. Check out the rest of the Mama Awards, the performances. We could talk about Big Bang again. Check out the awards, but be sure to be there. So I'll make another video for a reminder. But my name is Dre from the YouTube channel JREAMERS. Been doing this for years, and it's kind of crazy that we're witnessing this again. It's so dope. I'm happy. Hope you're happy. And have a great rest of your day or night. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there.